shit.
Got busted.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna head out to this car meet. I just got done uploading that video for you guys, the update video. So I'm gonna head out right now. The last time this same car meet was hosted, this shit was crazy. They went crazy over there, and we got this whole, you know, movement through California right now, this whole sideshow thing, which, I mean, hopefully that doesn't happen at the meet I'm going to, because that usually means the meet's gonna get shut down real quick and people get towed and shit. But yeah, we're gonna head out to this car meet. I'm gonna take my car even though it's all busted in the rear. So, alright, let's go. Hell yeah. What up guys, today is the day. Today is the day I've been waiting for. Last night was crazy. I went to like 3 different car meets. We went to this one in downtown Sacramento, and then that was like shut down like right away. Right when I got there, it was already put on to Plan B. So we went to Plan B, which was on the other side of Sacramento, and then we went all the way to Elk Grove to another one because police were everywhere last night. They were not playing. But yeah, I'm gonna head out to the powder coating place. I'm gonna go get cleaned up and stuff, and then I'm gonna head over there. And man, hopefully I can get these calipers put on my car like tomorrow. That would be super sick. Like, man, I kind of want my lift though. That means I have to get that car out of my shop. I don't know if I'll be able to get that car. I mean, I could just use jack stands, but we'll see. But all right, guys, I'm gonna see you at the powder coating shop. I can't wait to get these calipers put on the car. And yeah, this is gonna be dope. All right, guys, I'll see you there. And I just wanted to apologize about this video has been up and down. Like, I know I didn't take a lot of video of the car meets because the first car meet we showed up to, there was like absolutely nobody there. And then the second car meet we showed up to, that was, you know, Plan B, there was a lot of people there, but the thing is, it was on a strip. So like literally it was like a mile-long strip, and there was just like cars parked like all on the side of the whole entire street. And the cops came and like shut that down too. So we headed out to another meet, and then that meet, like there was cops there already before we even got there. And this whole entire thing, like in California right now, like people get car meets shut down so quickly, it's not even funny. Like, you show up to a car meet to hang out and talk about cars and like talk about like different things that people have done, and you can't even show up for more than like 30 minutes, and then somebody's, you know, revving or burning out or doing donuts and stuff. And yeah, that shit is cool to see. Like, it's really dope to like see stuff like that. Like, honestly, if somebody does some stupid ass shit and then they get blurped, like, okay, you know, like, it's cool to see that, but then now everybody has to move to a new location because then the police are going to come in and try to shut down the whole thing because one person, you know, did some dumb shit. So yeah, that's what happened last night. Like, basically, I didn't really see much, but like before we even showed up to the last meetup spot, it was already getting shut down. And yeah, some people showed up, but it was already getting hella late. And then that's when I was like, you know what, like, I want to go have some fun in my car. So I just decided to leave. And that's where, you know, I'm gonna put that clip probably right here. But long story short, I'm going to hopefully pick up my Akebonos from powder coating on Monday, and then tomorrow is Sunday, so I might actually be going to meet up with somebody else and be doing a video with him about rebuilding his Akebonos that are going onto a Z33 too. So lately I've been trying to keep myself occupied as I can, to like going from place to place to place, just trying to, you know, get as much content for you guys, get as much done on these cars, and get as much parts sold too. So like, I'm trying to like get this shop up off the ground by the end of this year. I want to be fully licensed and have everything done for my licenses and all that stuff. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna get back to the video here. Alright, well, I'm over here at the powder coating place right now. It doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get the calipers powder coated today. I mean, it's alright. Like, this video is being sponsored, so like they're powder coating the calipers for me for free, so I'm not really tripping. I'm gonna come back on Monday at 7 a.m. and get them put in then. The thing is I came here a little too late today, and they already started with powder coating other stuff for customers. So I'm gonna come back on Monday and hopefully get it all done early in the morning, and then I can rebuild the whole calipers and everything that same day, because it should give me plenty of time to have the calipers cool off, and then I can start putting them together. So I'm actually gonna head back to my house and build this computer that I've been trying to build, because I'm tired of editing all the videos here at the shop, or at the shop, and I'll be working all day, and then I'll have to sit down and stay at the shop and edit videos there, since my laptop got stolen. But yeah, so I'm gonna go back to the house and start building this computer. Alright, so I've got this older computer here that was built a long time ago. It may look pretty nice still, but it's a really old computer, probably built over 10 years ago. And then I've got this new board here that I'm putting together that didn't work before, so I'm trying to figure out what the problem was. So I just mounted the CPU fan and the processor yesterday and cleaned off the processor. Some of the thermal paste got on the pins on the bottom. I'm gonna try to put this in here today and see if I can at least get it fired up and see if I can get, you know, some type of, you know, signal working, and that way I can get this computer built and I can start editing videos from home. As far as sick though, hell with carbon fiber. All custom made. Alright guys, so I just got back from that shop over there, and I went to AutoZone and I picked up this ball joint set here. So it's got plenty of pieces. I'm not going to be able to use, since this is like one of the little smallest adapters that it has, I'm not going to be able to use this to actually push out some of the bushings. So that's good. This one will work for like 2 of them, but there's another one on there that's too small. So I might end up using this socket here, or just using this adapter here to push it out by itself. So I'm gonna get to work on pressing these bushings out, and hopefully I can get these powder coated at the same time I get my calipers powder coated. Alright, so that worked pretty well with pressing out all these bushings. So you can see that all the bushings are pressed out now. And I'm going to clean this up. But honestly, since I don't have the right sizes for all of this, because you can see that like this doesn't fit inside of here. Like all the, like, literally, this is the smallest size that they have. And it's a lot bigger than this, so I'm probably gonna have the new bushings pressed in at a shop, since even with this kit I don't have all the right tools to press in the new bushings. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up, and then I'll get back to you guys, and I'll probably go over how much the cost is of having new bushings pressed in, and then if I had to have the old bushings pressed out by the shop, then I'll probably go over that cost too, if you needed to have them pressed out and new ones pressed in. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video today. I'm probably gonna be taking off the other hub on that car tomorrow and doing the same thing I did to this one. So I cleaned it up. It looks pretty nice as is, honestly, but I still am probably gonna try to get it powder coated, or at the least clean it up a lot more than this, so that way it looks brand new. But I did order new hub bearings, and everything is going to be completely rebuilt on this. I got new shoes, new e-brake shoes, and I'm going to see if I can use the And I'm going to see if I can use the G37 rear dust shields. I know I'm going to have to trim them anyways for the Hydro e-brake setup, but I'm going to see if I can use those and at least clean them up, make them look pretty nice. And yeah, so stay tuned. Monday I'm going to be getting the calipers back from powder coating, and hopefully I can start rebuilding them that day too. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next episode. If you guys need any parts for 350Zs, G35s, G37s, or 300ZXs, you can hit me up on Instagram, or you can see my eBay stores in the description below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.